How to make easy paper basket. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half diagonally and unfold. Fold the paper along the other diagonal and unfold. Turn the paper over. Fold the paper in half downward and unfold. Fold the paper in half sideways and unfold. Fold the paper along the creases you've made. Fold the upper layer in half downward. Fold the upper layer of the bottom corner upward to the center line. Turn the item over. Fold the upper layer in half downward. Fold the upper layer of the bottom corner upward to the center line. Take the second square sheet of paper. Fold the paper in half sideways and unfold. Fold the side edges to meet the center line. Fold the side edges to meet the center line. Fold the item in half to the left. Fold the item in half downward. Attach the handle to the basket, tucking its ends under the bottom triangles. Fold the central part in half upward. Turn the item over. Fold the central part as previously. Fold the upper layer of the side corners to the center, then fold the corners inward along the creases you've made. Turn the item over. Fold the side corners as previously. Expand the basket. Fold the side corners inward. The basket with handle is complete.